With the level of vaccination still low, I direct that this remains closed until at least the 4.8 million priority population is vaccinated. And as you saw, we are targeting end of December to have vaccinated, to have used the 12 million vaccines, which as we saw, would have vaccinated 6 million people, without including the 600,000 that are already vaccinated or on the way being vaccinated.
President Museveni's directive for Ugandans to get vaccinated has been boosted by the Director General of Health Services, Dr. Henry Mwebesa. Dr. Mwebesa says the vaccines are safe and urged Ugandans and religious leaders to champion the vaccination process.
People have not been very keen to come for vaccination, but also there are those who came for vaccination and we didn't have the vaccines. There are people who learned that there were no vaccines. But now I want to reassure Ugandans that we have got adequate number of vaccines and we are continuing to get adequate number of vaccines.
He says the vaccination exercise will give a leeway to the opening of the country with a maximum of 4 million people being vaccinated.
But now I want to reassure Ugandans that we have got adequate number of vaccines and we are continuing to get adequate number of vaccines. By December, before the end of December, we shall have about 12 million doses of vaccines. And this should be able to, and that includes 2 million doses of Johnson & Johnson. So that's 2 million people, because Johnson & Johnson is 1 dose. And then the other 10 is these other vaccines which require 2 doses.
The vaccination exercise, however, has been embraced in the outskirts of Kampala, with Kitebi Primary School taking the lead.
The people are coming. We are overwhelmed with clients. On Monday, we managed to immunize about 200, yet we started very late, but at least we started around 2, but we managed to immunize 200 people. And the following day, that was yesterday, we managed to immunize 456 clients. And even today, before even you can sit still morning hours, but we have clocked 200. So by end of that day, we hope we should be having at least 500 plus.
At Kitebi Primary School, the vaccination exercise was embraced by all and appreciated government for the initiative.
Katinetagisa myaka gyendimu ate bankake banharasinge nzije bangemesa nti jangu bageme kinkakatako nga Munnayuganda ekintu bwe kibanga gavumenti yekirese twegemese.
I'm going to university very soon, and I think it's one of the requirements that you should have a vaccination card. Yes, so that's why I got vaccinated.
The public, however, has been warned against critiques of vaccination. For those vaccinated, they are optimistic that the country will get back to normal when the virus is suppressed. COVID-19 pandemic has retarded development, and government is optimistic that once people are vaccinated, Uganda's economy will go back to normal. Zahra Abigaba,